So today I'm making strawberry topping for my banana cake, or any cake actually. I'm using 3/4 of cup of cocoa sugar, water, like 2 spoons of water, 2, 3 depends, and let this simmer for a little bit. So now the sugar has melted and it's causing this bubbly and clear water. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And just... So now I'm adding a stick of cinnamon, 3 to 4 clove flowers, and then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them together, but you have to stir and mix them well. You can't just... And then pour it in here to make a thicker consistency of the strawberry sauce. Turn the heat off because this will be thicker as it's cools down. And I'm gonna add just a tablespoon of butter and stir that in and let it cool down. Hello! Today I made strawberry sauce topping for any dessert, or you can eat this with ice cream, anything really. For the recipe you can check my YouTube channel or the stories, the highlights in my Instagram page. I hope you guys try it. Bon appetit!